a fluffy robin chick perched precariously on the edge of the nest. Below, the world stretched out like a tangled jungle of leaves and branches. Mama Robin bustled back and forth, beak laden with wriggling worms, but Pip's little legs remained stubbornly glued to the twig. "It's too big," he chirped, voice trembling. "The world is huge and scary, and I have no clue what to do." Mama Robin chuckled, a melodious tinkling sound. "But Pip," she said, her eyes gleaming like polished beads, "the world is also an adventure playground filled with delicious berries and sun-kissed puddles, and you, my little one, are perfectly equipped to explore it." Pip tilted his head. "Equipped? But I'm just a tiny fluffball with a squeaky voice." Mama Robin hopped closer, gently nudging him onto the branch. "Look," she said, pointing her beak at his downy feathers. "You have a warm coat to keep you snug, strong wings to lift you high, and eyes that can spot a juicy caterpillar from a mile away." Then she nudged his chest with her head. "Most importantly, you have this," she murmured, "a brave heart that beats with the rhythm of the wild. That, my Pip, is your compass, your guide in the big, beautiful world." Hesitantly, Pip spread his wings, feeling the wind tickle his belly. Mama Robin flew alongside him, a silent guardian angel, as he wobbled through the air. He landed clumsily on a low branch, feeling the rough bark against his tiny feet. Suddenly, a fat, juicy caterpillar peeked out from behind a leaf. Pip's heart thumped with excitement. Remembering Mama's words, he hopped closer, a triumphant glint in his eye. He snapped up the worm, and his little chest swelled with pride. As the sun dipped towards the horizon, Mama Robin gathered Pip back into the nest. "See, little one," she said, nuzzling him with her feathers. "You explored, you conquered, and you found your own delicious reward." Pip snuggled close, the day's adventures swirling in his head. He had faced his fear, taken flight, and discovered that the world wasn't so scary after all. He realized that being a parent, he discovered, wasn't just about providing food and shelter. It was about showing your little one the magic within, guiding them to unfurl their wings and paint their own adventures onto the vast canvas of their lives. And in that moment, Pip understood. Being a parent was the most beautiful puzzle to solve, one feather, one worm, one brave step at a time.